Easter basket pop-up card. It's from Cricut Design. I made some adjustment, customization to it, as I will show you step by step. Enjoy. Okay, so here from Cricut Design, so I picked the Easter basket pop-up card, and in here it will show you like a step by step, but sometimes in videos make it much easier to do. So I will show you in here the changes, the one I made on the card, so which is the frame for the back. So we hit customize, and wait. Okay, so here it is. So the only changes I made, this was for the card to make it like, you know, on the front and back to have those eggs. So the first thing we have to do, we will ungroup. Okay, now as we see everything, we can move them apart. So this one, no changes, we can, and this one. Now in here what I did, because I don't want to make changes for these, so I will cut them too. So what I do is I do a duplicate, and this is the one that's not gonna be in touch, and we do the same thing for this one, and we move it too. So now we have all this. Now if I try to cut this one, of course the frames, this will be cut too. So I need to remove those. So what I do, I highlight this portion, and then we go all the way to the bottom right, contour, and then we remove the box. So now if we close it, so that's showing me nothing in here is gonna be. What we do the same thing for the other one, and then we do the same. Now so it won't be two pieces, and we need to attach them so to be one piece. As you see, there is no line in here, so there is no cut, and we attach this one. So now we'll cut the card as one piece with the eggs. So that's everything else it was the same, and of course I added the text in here for Happy Easter. Actually I made it once, and of course you can so here I cut everything. So we started from here. So this is instead of a white, I added Happy Easter and those eggs to the front and back. And when you cut it, this is gonna be, that's what comes. Now this is gonna come in the inside. Goes like this. It started gluing soon. Now with the green stuff, you will notice there is two identical. Now the others, there is flat ones. So what we need to look for is those three, the one they have that knob on the middle. So this is the one, it looks like it has the smallest knob, and with this angle, this is where it's gonna go with the bunny. So the bunny, this one will be reserved for the bunny, and the other with the two tabs, this is where you will put the eggs. This is where we will be gluing the egg in here, and then we will have the other three. They are different, but each one has to grow in different place, and you will see shortly the way we do it. So now, and here is the basket. this is what the pen, we use the pen and to do it. So the things you will need for this project is gonna be the fine blade and the pen and the scrolling wheel. So those are the things, and of course you wanna use the glue mat, the light one, light grip mat, in case if you are new to. I will be using this glue for everything. So let's start. First we will glue these in here. Okay, I'm not gonna make them fit exactly because I wanna to show a little bit of yellow inside and a little bit on the green outside, so it's gonna be like this. This is how I want it to be, and of course the same way. So let's first put some glue in the frame. Okay, so after I finish, the bunny is looking upward instead of facing you. So what I did, it's even though after you assemble everything, you can take it pieces because there is no glue with those grass stuff. So the first thing, of course, you put to the right, it's the pink egg, and then the plain one, the one does not have any eggs on it, it will be facing it but all the way to the left. And then the green egg is gonna be like in an angle, it's gonna be in the same line with the bunny. So this way, when you open the card, the first thing it will be the bunny will be facing you. Like nothing wrong with the one I made before, but this one is more appealing, and that's what it's supposed to be. Let me admit it. So, and now, of course, the handle, it has to be the middle part, where is the pink egg. That's where you put the handle on. So when you close it, it's not gonna be, it's wrinkly. And besides, you wanna be sure the handle is all the way down. Otherwise, when you close the card, then the handles will show. So you want to be sure it's almost on the same level with or lower of the bunny God, I forgot the bunny ears. So this will be for this card. Next week I will be making some card and sublimation for Mother's Day. If you like this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.